A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Got another product review. Got them lined up, guys. This one is really awesome collaboration between Adopted Acres and Marshall Made Woodshop. This one is called Summit Trail. And let me tell you, this one is a pine scented banger. The scent notes of this one is pine, fir, burning leaves, spices, charred cedar, and petrichor. I also have the matching splash to go with that. So this release is more than a scent. This is from the sales blurb. It's an experience. In collaboration with Marshall Made Woodshop, Summit Trail debuts as part of an extraordinary shave set pairing fragrance with craftsmanship. At the heart of the set is a hand-turned shaving brush shaped from 150-year-old heart pine, a material rich with history and character. The resin ferrule, inspired by the deep green hues of pine, is accented with inlay elements that add refined pops of color and texture, blending timeless tradition with modern design. So with this release, there's going to be a limited amount of shave brushes and bowls that were made by Alex Marshall of Marshall Made Woodshop. They are beautiful, guys. If I have an image, I'll throw it up on the screen. The brush also showcases the Marshall Made Signature Knot V1. This is a brand new hybrid blend of badger and synthetic fibers that Alex Marshall has sourced for his brushes, and I am looking forward. I'm going to get my hands on one of those, I know. It is created for superior lathering performance, durability, and comfort, completing the collection as a matching lather dish, thoughtfully designed to complement the brush and bring artistry to every shave. With the launch of Marshall Made Woodshop's new branding and logo, Summit Trail becomes more than just a shave set. It is a celebration of craftsmanship, heritage, and the beauty of the changing seasons. Now, this was patterned after a walk in the forest or the woods. An autumn, fall season walk in the woods, and just off the puck, off the soap itself. It's amazing. I know this is going to come alive once I lather it up. So for the hardware, the only Marshall Made brush I have doesn't quite go with the set, but it is a brush I love. It's this beautiful purple guy here. And let's see here. I believe he has a new coin now. That's the coin I have on mine. I've purchased a couple brushes from Marshall Made. The one I have here, and I set this funky purple knot in there to go with it. I think it matched amazing. And then another one that I gifted to a friend. And for the razor, you guys have seen me use this a lot. I told you I'm going to be running this one for like a week. It is my Shield gym razor that I am just enjoying. That I haven't had that out in quite a while, and now that I'm shaving with it, I don't want to put it away just yet. So let's get a lather going. Let's get this brush wet, and I am looking forward to this shave. I could not wait once I got this in to use this. All right, that's nice and wet. Get the soap a little bit wet. There we go. And let's load this brush. Oh man, that's so good. Beautiful. Get this tub rinsed. Oh man. I cannot wait to get to the splash. Sometimes I wish I could start with the splash, you know? Alright, set that right there. Let's get the glasses off and the face wet. I have just about 24 hours growth. I only did a one pass shave, I think, yesterday. So let's get the face wet. Looks like I got a few little soap chunks in there, but that's all right. Ooh, Oh, those spices are definitely coming out now. I wasn't getting so much of the spice off the tub, but now that I'm lathering it, getting them very, very well. Wow, this is so good. Not quite getting that charred cedar yet, but I know I will in the splash. Beautiful, beautiful lather. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. Actually, I should have broke a straight razor out for this, honestly. I don't know why I didn't. All right, let's get this going. Man, burning leaves, getting a little bit of smokiness. I'm sure I'm going to get the rest out of the splash. But this is beautiful. It's everything they said it was. Doug and Caroline at Adopted Acres did an amazing job on this. Jeez. I rate this right up there. Y'all know how much I like Autumn Woods from Subtle Arts. Why am I... Sorry, brain fart there for a second. I rate this up there with it. It's different. It's not the same, but it is in the same class, and it is every bit as good. Wow. I just received this like a day ago, and really hadn't had my nose on it completely other than just sniffing the tub, and I didn't spray the splash. I just opened the bottle. I was like, yeah, it's good, but man, now that I'm using it, I'm blown away. It's awesome. I don't know what to do. I'm really excited about it. I don't always like to do a first impressions because I like to get to know a fragrance before I talk about it. Just for the simple fact it gives me a chance to get my words together, you know? And I wish I had done that with this one now. Because for just, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 6 scent notes, which we all know there's probably more than that in there. This is a lot more complex than I expected it to be after reading just those scent notes. It is incredible. I'm there. I'm on that trail with leaves around me. You know, it's a fall day, and all the smells that I would think I would smell, I'm smelling, and it's beautiful. This one definitely has taken me on a journey, 100%. Oh, got that lather really wet. It's a little dripping off my razor. Like I said before, you have to respect an artisan. Oh, I just took off some beard. That can take you on a journey or unlock a memory. If the fragrance moves you in any way, whether you like it or not, if it still takes you somewhere and puts you in a place or reminds you and opens that thought, you have to respect what the artisan has done. and I can 100% get behind what this one is doing to me. Love it. I need an EDP, I need a bar soap, I need more. I need more. All right, let's get going for the second pass. So the bowl and brushes are incredible. Some of the best work I've seen Alex Marshall do in the items I've seen from him in the brushes he's done. I've also seen him do pizza cutters, which I've been wanting to get one from him, coffee scoops, among other things. As well as, I love the fact that for every brush he sells, he gives one away to an active military member as well. Thank you, sir, for that, and thank you for your service as well, sir. Man, this lather is so cushiony, so silky. Jeez, Doug, did you do anything different with this one? It's got a different, slightly different feel. Not, and I mean in a good way. I don't recall Doug saying he made any changes on this one. Fantastic. I'm gonna have to use this again tomorrow. I'm recording this on Sunday evening. I'm gonna have to use this Monday morning before work. I am in love with this. Which stinks because I've got so many new ones that came in on Friday and Saturday. I hate, well, it's a love-hate, all right? I love, but I slightly hate when I fall in love with something like this and I don't want to use anything else because I've got others I have to get to, you know? Oh, first world wet shaving problems, right? I will cope. Man, it's beautiful. All right. Just going to do 2 passes. I'm going to get a rinse, come back up with the splash, my final thoughts. I'll be right back. All right, Doug. Give it to me straight, my friend. I feel like you've done something different with this one. Or maybe it's just me, but that stuff was so slick I had a hard time rinsing it off. Not hard time, but I mean, it took me a little while to get all that residual slickness off my face. Some fantastic stuff they cook up over there at Adopted Acres. One of my favorites. Excellent. Alright. See if I can get myself situated here. Mustache all over the place. Alright, now this. Summit Trail, guys. Beautiful label work also, and I've noticed that his side labels have been upped in class a little bit, looking awesome as well. Get that primed. All right, here we go. Ooh. Get some in the hand. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, definitely getting that petrichor now. Definitely. So beautifully blended. Just the tiniest bit of smoke from the burning leaves, if that. Maybe in the dry down I'll get more of that. But the fur was the first thing I noticed on this. It popped right at the beginning, but it's already starting to dry down away from that a little bit. Cedar, that's it. That cedar is, which is usually weird because cedar is usually a bass note, but for me this one's riding along the top note, tying it all together. That's different. Oh, that is beautifully done, guys. Give yourselves a pat on the back for this one. This is an amazing collaboration, guys. This is autumn in a jar, autumn in a splash bottle. If you could bottle it, this is it. This one is probably one of the closest true to nature feelings I've gotten from a fall fragrance. Oh, that is beautiful. Excellent. Chef's kiss, guys. Fantastic job. Absolutely in love with it. Guys, it'll be available, estimated this weekend. Not sure if it's going to be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, what have you. There will also be a soap and splash of Summit Trail along with Pumpkin Sandalwood Noir at the Texas Wet Shavers meetup, or swap meet as we're calling it, this Saturday as well on the 18th. So those of you that are going, you'll have a chance to get one out of a door prize there, as well as I think he said he's shooting to have it available noon Saturday the 18th, but it's estimated, I think, right now. It's not quite set in stone, maybe halfway in stone. I don't know. Reach out to Doug Lane. Sorry, Doug. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.